Hi, this is Marcel from Genelec. Welcome to our short tutorial video. I will now guide you through all the steps you need to use the new Aural ID version 2.1 application to get the best experience of virtual speaker setups like 714 on headphones. For the highest precision, we recommend our Personal Reference Monitoring System, PRM, consisting of the 9320A reference controller and our 8550A headphones. We offer a free 30-day trial so you can test the Aural ID application. Log into your My Genelec account under my.genelec.com and go to the shop to activate your free trial. Now download the Aural ID application and install it on your Mac. If you intend to use head tracking, download and install the additional Aural ID head tracking executable. If you want to continue using Aural ID after 30 days, purchase an annual or perpetual license from My Genelec. How do you get your own personal Aural ID HRTF profile? If you already have a perpetual license, you can start using our Creator app right away. If you have an annual subscription, go to My Genelec and purchase your personal Aural ID profile. You need a valid Aural ID license to purchase a profile. This will give you the best accuracy for sound direction and sound color. Using your mobile device, install the Aural ID Creator app from the Apple App Store or Google Play Store and log into your My Genelec account. Use the Aural ID Creator app to record a video and 2 photos and upload the material needed to create your Aural ID HRTF profile. The app will guide you through the process. After your HRTF profile has been calculated, you will receive an email to notify you that it is ready to be used in the Aural ID application. This is how you operate the Aural ID application. After installation, launch the application and allow access to your Mac's Documents folder and microphone input. Open I/O Setup from the routing menu. The Aural ID application includes a virtual sound card called Aural ID Bridge, enabling flexible audio routing. Select an Aural ID input. This can be any Aural ID bridge that supports your required channel count. Then choose an Aural ID output, which routes the Aural ID signal to your headphones, for example your 9320A controller. Optionally, select a loudspeaker output to pass the audio to your studio monitors without HRTF processing. Go to the audio settings of your Mac or of your DAW renderer engine and select the same Aural ID bridge option that was chosen earlier. Open the app Audio MIDI Setup, select the Aural ID bridge and check the input and output settings. Under Output, click on Configure Speakers. Select your configuration, for example 714, and assign the channels. In the Aural ID application, select your virtual monitor layout from Monitor Layout under the routing menu. Go to Channel Assignment under the routing menu and check that the inputs are connected to the correct virtual loudspeakers. Play some material from your source to check the level meters if needed. If you already have a personal Aural ID HRTF profile, then import it by entering the Profile menu and choosing Import from My Genelec and logging in using your credentials. After downloading, you can also choose Import from hard drive. Otherwise, you can import the KEMA profile, for example. Activate the HRTF processing if needed by clicking on this switch. Select HRTF mode under the Profile menu. Immersive is selected by default and is the recommended option. Please check the manual for detailed information about the other 2 modes, Neutral and Raw. You can open the manual from the Help menu. Here you'll also find detailed information on the Low Frequency Envelopment option. Click on individual loudspeakers on the Aural ID application to adjust their location with azimuth, elevation and gain. This allows fine-tuning, for example to adapt Aural ID to your speaker system. Use Ctrl-click to solo a virtual loudspeaker. If you want to use head tracking, just start the application and enable it in the Aural ID application. If you'd like to calibrate the subjective sound color of playback enable and configure the optional EQ, where you can make personal adjustments. The Aural ID application uses autosave. To save settings manually, choose Save or Save As from the File menu. We hope you enjoy using Aural ID version 2.1. If you have any further questions, feel free to contact us at support@genelec.com.